Welcome to our introduction on Goldcast Event Hub Pages. This video will give you a quick overview of how you can use Goldcast to create Event Hub pages to share your events with your audiences, including upcoming events that they can register for, and on-demand events they can watch at any time. To get started, navigate to the Pages section of Goldcast and click the New Page button in the top right corner of the screen. You can create as many pages as you'd like, for different teams, subject matter, or types of events. Enter a name for your page and click Create. Click the Page Settings button to add a metadata image and description, which will be shown when you share your page URL in social media or chat services like Slack, and a fav icon, which will display on the Browser tab for the page. Click Save to save your changes. Click Edit on the right-hand side of the screen to open the Goldcast Page Builder. The Goldcast Page Builder lets you customize your page using our pre-built blocks. An Events Hub page begins with a navigation bar, hero image, upcoming events block, on-demand events block, custom events block, and a footer. You can add or remove blocks to share custom content as needed. You can also drag and drop to reorder your blocks. Inside your upcoming events and on-demand event blocks, you can choose which events are shown. Click the eye icon to hide or show events one by one. Or click the eye in the upper right corner and then click the check mark to show or hide all events. Keep in mind, events marked as test won't be in this list, so to add them, return to the event in Goldcast and turn off the test setting. You can use the Custom Events block to add additional events or other content like blog posts you'd like to link to. Just add the information about the event, like the name, date, location, time, and other information. You can also link to the URL where people can register. If you're sharing other content like a blog post, to hide the event date from the section, click on the event date picker and click Clear. All blocks have tons of custom styling options, which you can see by opening the Block Style section. You can control the background color, font color, padding, background imagery, and more. You can also control the card style and button styling, giving you tons of control over how your page looks. You can also upload multiple font weight files and apply them to headlines and text throughout your page. To do this, scroll to the top, click to open the Page Style section, and select Custom from the drop-down. Then click Show More Options. Now once you change fonts on headlines or text sections, your font weights will display. To preview your page, hit the Preview button in the top. This will show you what your page will look like to your attendees. You can also add a vanity domain to your hub. To do this, contact support@goldcast.io.